Welcome to the world of Bangalore Watch Company. If you've just purchased your cover drive automatic watch, congratulations. Today, I will walk you through the function, care, and maintenance of your cover drive watch. The cover drive comes with a Swiss Salita automatic movement. It has 3 hands for time telling. There's an hour hand, a minute hand, and a seconds hand. There is no date complication on this movement, so there is no date window or a date indication on the dial. Your cover drive watch comes with a simple push and pull crown. By default, the crown is pushed in its first position. To set the time, simply pull the crown out, like so. When you pull it out, you'll hear a clear pop and you will see the crown is pulled out to its second position. While it's pulled out to the second position, wind the crown counterclockwise. When you wind it counterclockwise, you will see the hands moving clockwise. You can do this to set your hands to your desired time. Once you have set the time, push the crown back in to its first position and then wind it about 20 times. Your watch is now ready to go. The cover drive comes with an automatic watch which has a 38 hours of power reserve. So when your watch is fully wound, it gives you a 38-hour power backup. And when that power backup expires, the watch comes to a stop. You can extend the functioning of your watch by simply wearing the watch on your wrist every day or by winding the crown a few times when the watch comes to a stop. Automatic watches have over 100 moving parts inside. Because of the micromechanics involved, there is a risk of exposure to strong magnetic fields. Magnetic fields, surprisingly, are all around us today, in our televisions, smart home speakers, and they affect the timekeeping of our watches. We recommend that you keep your watch away from any of these devices with strong magnetic fields in order to avoid any effect on the timekeeping function of your watch. Your cover drive watch is built for 100 meters of water tightness. The water tightness of your watch is dependent on the integrity of gaskets that are present inside the crown, between the crystal and the case, and in the case back. Usually 100 meters is fit for a swim or a shower. Hot showers or pool chlorine have a tendency to damage the integrity of your gaskets in the watch. And this will affect the water tightness rating. So avoid hot showers or avoid heavily chlorinated pools. Remember to always keep the crown in the locked position for guaranteed water tightness. If the crown were to be unlocked accidentally during water exposure, there will be water entry to the watch and it will cause damage to the movement. Hand sanitizers have become indispensable after the coronavirus pandemic. We've noticed the deterioration of enamel paint on case backs with exposure to hand sanitizers with heavy chemicals. There's also stains on the sapphire glass that cannot be removed because of exposure to some sanitizers. So if you do carry around hand sanitizers, also carry dry paper towels and wipe off any residue from your watch. Owning an automatic watch is just like owning a car. It needs to be serviced periodically. Our recommended service interval for your cover drive watch is once every 4 years and perhaps once every 2 years if you wear your watch every day as your daily driver. When it is time for a general service, give us a call, book an appointment for a service, and enjoy your cover drive for the next few years.